Good morning, Drone World. So in our first story today, a homegrown Irish company is running live autonomous drone delivery right now in Galway, Ireland, with plans to deliver across the Atlantic. Mana's CEO said we're delivering coffees, burgers, fries and groceries. They're currently doing 2,000 to 3,000 flights a day using fully autonomous drones to fly at 50 miles per hour. When it arrives, it'll scan the area with LiDAR, find a safe spot, deliver and then whiz back in to get the next pickup. Reports of the company is saying that their service is actually 90% cheaper than their car driving competitors.
We also address critical problems for that industry, which is the perishability of the product quality when it arrives, and also the low basket value. The low basket value, $15 to $20, poses a huge problem for road-based, human-based delivery, right? So you have a really nearly impossible problem to solve, where with an average basket value of $20 and a base cost of between $6 and $9 pure operating cost to bring the product to the customer, you have an almost impossible profitability equation to solve. And that's evident in DoorDash S1 or any of the big platform aggregators. They're single or negative digit unit economics. So we've chosen that space because it's gigantic. They have acute distribution or logistic problems, should I say, in the last mile, and therefore need us.
In Coptrz news, classroom courses restarted again last week, with one of our students passing the GVC with flying colours, achieving 100%. Now this doesn't happen much, so let's hear Paul's reaction.
It was very good. The instruction was very good. The instructor was very knowledgeable and very supportive, and had lots and lots of good tips in terms of learning experience. I've got the level 5 off-call level 5 course with Coptrz online, so I'll be doing that. And then in terms of drone operating, I'm probably going to be doing some intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance for the military. Yeah, I got 100% on my test, and that was because of the good instruction, I think.
In other news, we've recently partnered with Ecologi with the aim of reducing our carbon footprint. We've already managed to plant over 1,900 trees and reducing our carbon emissions by 136 tonnes. We'll keep you updated with the progress through the rest of the year. Last in today's show, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro has celebrated its birthday last week. The drone is credited to be one of the best in the industry, even in 2021. To celebrate the drone turning 3 years old, we're offering £300 off the Visual Business Starter Package. So if you're interested, do get in touch. Thank you for joining us on our first Good Morning Drone World, and we'll see you next week to keep you updated on all things drone.